Hello everyone, welcome back to LevelUp NJ. In today's video, uh, I'm just in the end of the video. I will be announcing something very interesting for you. So stay tuned. So first of all, let's go a platform which is very important for us. That is related to our announcing. So this is basically my profile, and and I have solved like 105 question and something about like 30 to 40 question on GFG also. So yeah, so you have seen like there is a tag. Wait a second, bro. So this is the tag. I didn't do any question of that. So uh, it contains like array strings and a lot of questions, like more than 10 to 15 question on the same topic. And then two pointers. This is the technique, sliding window, matrices, and hash maps. More than 5 to 6 question are there. Intervals, stacks, linked list. It contains like more than 12 to 13 question about linked list, binary journal, and modified array, binary VFS, DFS. They are coming, graph, and a lot of step there. So so आज से क्या है ना कि मेरा जैसे कि my placements are just coming and I'm preparing for that. So I think like I have to solve like top interview 150 question of LeetCode. So I start this and so I just think about like why I'm just singing alone, and a lot of from you are just preparing for placement. So let's make a community, and on a daily basis, I'll upload a single video that will contain the one question of the 150 top interview questions that will help you to understand all of that. So this is just a video of just announcing all of that what I'm going to do, and yeah, just stay hard and just do your work, bro. Without working, nothing happened, bro. We have to work. So yeah, that's the part.